Kakapasok lang na balita, Iran nuclear weapons bigo daw mapasabog ng B-2 bomber airstrike. At base na yan mismo sa intelligence report, lagot ang Amerika nito. Bago daw kasi bombahin ng Amerika ang nuclear sites, kita sa mga litrato ang kumpol ng tankers sa labas nito. Pinaghihinalaang na transport na sa ibang lugar ang uranium na pangunahing ginagamit sa paggawa ng nuclear weapons. Pero pinabulaanan nga yan ng US Secretary of Defense Pete Hegseth. Imposible raw na hindi nawasak yon sa sobrang lakas ng bomba. Pero may posibilidad pa rin talaga na kahit na damage ang sobra-sobra ang pasilidad kung naalis nga ang nuclear weapons doon. Tila napikon nga si Secretary Hegseth sa tanong ng media.
All the highly enriched uranium was inside the Fordo mountain, or some of it, because there were satellite photos that showed more than a dozen trucks there 2 days in advance. Are you certain none of that highly enriched uranium was moved?
Of course, we're watching every single aspect, but Jennifer, you've been about the worst. The one who misrepresents the most intentionally.
Ang malaking tanong pa, walang leak o pagkalat ng nakamamatay na kemikal. Ibig sabihin, walang uranium na nasira. Yan ang isa sa pinagbabasehan kaya kumakalat ang balitang hindi talaga napasabog ang nuclear weapons, kundi ang nuclear sites lang.
First, that the weapons were built, tested, and loaded properly. 2, the weapons were released on speed and on parameters. 3, the weapons all guided to their intended targets and to their intended aim points. 4, the weapons functioned as designed, meaning they exploded. We know this through other means, intelligence means that we have that were visibly, we were visibly able to see them. And we know that the trailing jets saw the first weapons function, and the pilots stated, quote, "This was the brightest explosion that I've ever seen. It literally looked like daylight."
May mga imahe rin na nagpapakitang walang damage ang nuclear facilities ng Iran. Pinalagan din yan ng Pentagon. Dinesenyo raw kasi ang bunker buster para wasakin ang ilalim, hindi para wasakin ang ibabaw. Nagpakita tuloy ng simulated attack ang US Air Force. Sabog ang ilalim bahagi ng kanilang inatake.
The video I'm about to show you is a culmination of over 15 years of development and testing. As I said, hundreds of test shots on various models. This is one weapon. So if you take a view of this as 5 additionals, you'll get a sense of what this looks like. Hopefully you can see it and there's not too much reflection. Tom runs our videos out there. We'll run it at full speed so you can see it and then go back through it. Go ahead.
Keep it going for a minute. You'll see inside the mission space.
Unlike a normal surface bomb, you won't see an impact crater because they're designed to deeply bury and then function. I know there's been a lot of questions about that. All 6 weapons at each vent at Fordo went exactly where they were intended to go. A bomb has 3 effects that causes damage: blast, fragmentation, and overpressure. In this case, the primary kill mechanism in the mission space was a mix of overpressure and blast ripping through the open tunnels and destroying critical hardware. The majority of the damage we assessed based on our extensive modeling was a blast layer combined with the impulse extending from the shock. Imagine what this looks like 6 times over.
May punto naman ang mga haka-haka. Kung nawasak nga, bakit hindi galit na galit ang Iran? Tila wala pang paketong si Khamenei. Pati yung ganting pag-atake ng Iran mahina pa, di ba? Kaya malaki talaga ang tsansang hindi nawasak ng US ang nuclear weapons ng Iran. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo dito? I-komento sa baba ang inyong salo.